Unlock lightning-fast and secure shopping on Temu by using Apple Pay for your purchases. First, open the Temu app on your iPhone or iPad and find that item you can't live without. Tap on the item to view its details. Once you've decided, tap the Add to Cart button to place it in your shopping bag. Now, tap the shopping cart icon, usually found in the top right corner of your screen, to review your order. On the next screen, you'll see a summary of your items. Tap the prominent checkout button. Here, you'll find a list of available payment methods. Look for the Apple Pay option and tap it. Your iPhone or iPad will then prompt you to confirm your payment using Apple Pay. You might need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device's settings. Once confirmed, your payment will be processed securely and quickly, completing your Temu order. You'll then see an order confirmation page, letting you know your fantastic Temu finds are on their way. And that's how simple it is to pay with Apple Pay on Temu. Enjoy hassle-free and secure shopping.